This is how to replace the carburetor on this mini Jeep Venom 200cc. It's easy. This is a Phillips. This one is in good condition, but I'm just gonna take it out and I'm gonna put it back to show it how is the process. This is the gasoline hole. We have to shut the fucking petcock on this one, so that way it's not gonna drop too much gasoline. Right there. Now it's closed. So if you want to close it, you just go this way, right there. It's gonna be this one right here. Important. This hose goes right here. So make sure you put it back. Yeah. I'm gonna use the 12. Ta-da! And the next one, we're gonna put it back. Okay, this is how to remove the intake on this mini Jeep 200cc. The manifold. This is gonna need the 10 millimeters, I think. And when you have it out of the carburetor, of course, you just have to remove these two bolts right here, these two nuts, and that's gonna be all. Pretty simple, pretty fast. Always when you have off your carburetor. Boom and boom. That's it. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean it and I'm gonna put it back. But it's simple. You just have to put it back on the place. Put this one, the nuts, and that's it. But I'm gonna clean it. Okie dokie. This is how to install the carburetor on this mini Jeep 200cc. It's easy, easy peasy. Okay, this is the gasoline hose. There's the connection of choke right here. You just have to start with the cable. Oh, There you go. Has to be like this on this position because we're gonna put it like right there. So yes, put the rubber piece right here. We're good. Right there. Nice. Nice, we're good. Okay, so the next step is we have this hose from the intake manifold. It's this one right here. We're gonna put it right on this other part right here. Right there. You see this one? It goes on this. Goes like that, right there. And it's the one which goes connected to the gas to the gas tank. So it's pretty simple to find. So we just have to put to plug it right here to connect it, and that's it. And this cable is the one from the choke. We just have to connect it right here. The color matches, and we just have to put a little bit of like 2 or 3 zip ties right here on this part of the cables, and we're gonna be good. I'm gonna turn on the engine. There you go. We're good.